I'm glad to welcome you. I'm Sergey Kozmin. I'm director of the product part in the BAUM company. We are the participants of Fplus Holding. Also, we have here Ekaterina Bulkina. She's going to support me in our presentation, and we want to intrigue you. We want to tell you about the new system based on the big data and machine learning systems. We're going to tell you about our platform of the AI and our plans for development. And we are very much welcoming the questions, so you can interrupt me and ask your questions. Today's conference is dedicated completely to the AI, and I believe you've heard a lot from other speakers about chatbots, machine learning, predictive analytics, and also probably you've heard about data science, data lake, and big data. But I would like to concentrate on the applied side of it, why these technologies can be useful for you. Let us look into it. We've carried out a research of the fintech, and we found several priority tasks. If in this list that I'm going to tell you, if you find nothing interesting, then we can replace our research and to replace it with a chatbot. Of course, first of all, what can be of interest for you are the predictive models, scoring models, and automation of the business processes, including the document flow, business intelligence, and data mart. And in order to solve all these issues and tasks, the artificial intelligence will be ideal. And our own program is done with the applied AI, and this is done through the interface based on no code. Just through drag and drop, you can convert your tasks into technological services based on the AI, and all big data, Python, GS, etc. All this is based on this, and all types of data can be based on text analysis and numerical rows. Now everything is already completed. This begins with the regression, and we also know the very relevant algorithm like containerization, etc. We have implemented a number of projects with our customers, and we would like to share our experience with you. First of all, this has to do with the text processing, business intelligence in new publications. And our research allows to find the opinion leaders, main trends, and we found that, for example, in the turbines and the blades for turbines, the leader of opinion is General Motors. Of course, it has most of the references, and it is very important how to do it. And what is very relevant maybe for you is the classification, analysis, and electronic documents processing. You can't but tell about the artificial intelligence without mentioning computer vision and graphs analysis. As an example, I can mention Far East University. It is developing the shortest routes using the graphs and artificial intelligence. And the last topic, the most interesting one, is the work with the numeric rows. How it can be done? First of all, this is forecasting of the forest fires, wood fires. One of our customers already is forecasting it. They provided a data set with the geographical data and another data set with the infrastructure facilities that can this or that way affect the probability of forest fires. And on the basis of this, we managed to forecast the 5 forest fires, and also we developed a new service for monitoring and efficient analysis of the boilers in one of the thermal power plant, and all the metrics are passed through the analysis, and this reduces the probability of incapacity of and breaks in the work of the thermal power plant. And now a few words about fintechs. One national card payment system developed a new service for revealing the fraud transactions. We got a data set, and on the basis of that data set, a model had been taught, and this allowed to reveal and to find the fraud transactions with a probability of 90%. Another public customer ordered from us a prediction of illegal transfer of confidential data and incorrect use of the operational and professional equipment. And when we talk about predictions, of course, it is very important to mention the improvement of monitoring and the improvement of the hardware and software infrastructure. We are in charge not only of the data storage, but also we are developing new models that allow to improve the data storage, and with our approach we can improve the reliability of your data storage. All that I mentioned here is just the learning of different models. And the natural question from your side would be that there are quite a lot of players in the market, so anybody can teach their models. But from our side, we offer a different service, the whole ecosystem, beginning with the machine learning and updated learning and the commissioning and the introduction. First of all, this is the online mode, and any customer has access to our work. As I said, the models can be learned, models can be upgraded, and they can be integrated in other models. So the result of this ecosystem would be an online service or detachable application that can be applied in your infrastructure. A typical example, let's look into this example. You have a necessity, a need, and you analyze this, and terms of reference are prepared. Then data scientists develop and study this model, then they prepare a backend, and then it is put into drops. And then drops is going to integrate it into your infrastructure. According to our research, this work requires about 2 months and a team of about 10 persons. And the same tasks and control projects can be done by our ecosystem just in 1 or 2 days with the work of just one expert. The time to market is reduced drastically. Next key feature from our side, just a second. This is what we understand, that you have your own compliances, you have your request for data security, and we developed hard-end software systems, specialized hard-end software systems, and this is the ecosystem itself, and the video cards, NVIDIA T4. You can find nothing better than NVIDIA Vision cards. And we provide to our customers a special solution inside the ecosystem and the infrastructure. Now let's get back to the list of tasks. And I would like to discuss what we have implemented already. This is scoring models, identification and classification of documents, research for fraudulent transactions, BI, and data mart, because we can provide different data marts, dashboards, and these dashboards can be done right from the box. So our ready box solutions are very easy. And if your task is and your request is the automation of the business processes, we have very good experts that can take your terms of reference and implement it on the basis of your platform. If you are interested in this, but you are still interested what else, what next, I propose to you to keep our contacts. Look at the screen with the QR codes. You can send any terms of reference, any issues and problems. We are ready to analyze it and to make it practical using our platform. That's it from my side. Thank you for your attention.